ating Panay Island road trip from the festive Christmas Eve ng Ross Capiz.
Bye-bye, Capiz!
For this episode,
10:07. Welcome to Kalibo!
dalhin namin kayo sa aming
Mga pangarap to na kung saan kami gustong matulog. So, bucket list, check. Room for the night with the fairy lights.
at puntahan dito sa
world, it's a little Batanes of Aklan. Kasi para siyang Batanes, no? Tate, what can you say, Father? So windy.
Welcome to Aklan, ang ating ika-42nd province sa ating Philippine Loop Adventure.
Bye-bye! Tapos na kami sa aming morning side trip. Let's go to the beach!
We already know just what we feel. Just take my hand, I'll be all you need. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise you won't let them fade away.
Dahil sa Philippine Loop, maraming pangarap ang natupad dito sa Aklan. Thank you, Lord, pinakita mo sa amin kung gaano kaganda ang Pilipinas. Thank you for the gift of nature. Sa next episode, tara na sa dagat. Sobrang excited na talaga ang aming kalikasan sa sikat white beach of Buruanga. One road trip, one camping site, one mountain hike, and one province at a time. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe.